Oh God. What's up, guys? You already know who it is. It's your boy Kirk.
Can you stop with the name?
It's your boy Kirk and Juana, back again with JK Adventures. You guys see what we're doing? We're in the kitchen and we're doing a little special something, a little cooking challenge for you guys. So, Juanita, introduce the ingredients.
Carrots, potatoes, Old Bay, and what was it?
Grapeseed oil, because that's how we roll around here.
Grapeseed oil. And then we have some meat as well.
You guys are probably wondering what kind of trick is up our sleeve. Wait till she explains and shows you exactly what we're working with.
We're not really chef, so we bought
pre-seasoned meats.
So we bought chicken wings.
I'll show you guys a little close-up. Hopefully it's lemon peppered, pre-seasoned.
And then some meatballs.
Italian meatballs, that's how we do it. But you will see some techniques, some knife skills. You hear that beat? We're ready, so stay tuned.
So we're gonna put tin foil on our pan because we're gonna bake the chicken wings.
Yeah.
Are you gonna help?
Yeah. Make sure you lubricate your stuff first before you put stuff in.
Like that?
Yeah, you're like a real graffiti artist.
Shut up.
A little extra just in case.
Don't embarrassing me. I'm gonna put chicken wings in the pan. I'm just opening them up. See the little chicken wings? We've never really cooked chicken wings, so.
First time for everything. Chicken is ready. We're baking these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. Around the 15-minute mark, we're gonna flip them, all right? So that's what we're gonna be doing right now. We're gonna pop these in real quick, and then we're gonna get started on the other ingredients. So we're just gonna get some of the vegetables together. Make sure you wash your vegetables. I'm gonna run to the side real quick and get that done. Just a quick rinse. So the way we're doing these potatoes, we're just gonna dice them up, kind of into circles like that. Pop these into our bowl. We're gonna season them with Old Bay and salt. About to put some sauce all over these potatoes. Pop open my Old Bay. Just gonna wanna sprinkle them over them, right? Like this, kind of, I think. Like Salt Bay. Then give these a good mix. You want to get them on both sides, fully coated. These are going to be fried up. Put these on the side, and we're on to the next step.
We're just gonna wash our carrots before we cut them, because you gotta make sure they're clean. Okay, look at my carrots.
Okay, you want to go dump them?
We almost lost one.
Oh, carrot on the floor.
We're just, don't tell anyone. I just put them in the right.
You saw that technique Juanita did? She stuck her fingers in the boiling hot oil. Mexican women don't get hands burned. But yeah, you see me, maxing and relaxing, about 5 feet away from the splashing oil, you know, don't want to get burned over here.
How do you know when these are done?
Beats me. You always want to add a little bit more seasoning after because it's still cooking and the seasoning cooks off, so then it now is gonna just sizzle in perfectly. If it doesn't make sense, trust me, it makes sense. Science.
Science.
We got Juanita on the flip side. Just took them out after 15 minutos. And she's just making sure they cook evenly. Good?
Good.
And this is my job. I get to burn the hands.
Really? I just touched them. What do you mean?
We're editing that out.
No, we're not. We're keeping that, guys.
Just kidding. Oh, damn. This is what happens when you wear your fake Supreme gear.
This is what happens when you want to smack my butt and look at the fork. Oh, man.
Oh, she dropped a fork in the food. That fork no good no more.
Yes, it is. It's fine. Laura. I hope you're not watching this.
Alright, back to normal. One more batch of fries. Juicy, succulent, handcrafted meatballs.
Babe, you don't have to do the sound effects. I could just put it in.
Oh. Haters gonna hate. Now I step in like a boss. I don't know about you guys, but these smell amazing. Just like that, chicken wings out, ready to be dished up, served up by hand. You guys just saw what we had to do. Very tough. I think I got a little sweat going on.
I think they saw it go faster than us.
Probably.
It took us how, what, like an hour at least?
Yeah, it took us an hour. We don't know if the food's fully cooked, but I guess we'll find out tomorrow.
I guess, yes, you're right.
But we're about to dive in, and oh, I'm so hungry.
I don't even know if I want to eat this right now.
I'm probably not gonna eat the carrots, let's be honest.
They were more for decoration.
Color. You have to add color to the dish.
Yeah.
And it matches my jersey. But we're gonna grub in. We're not gonna make you guys go through the whole process of seeing us eat the food, but long story short, if we make another video, you know we're alive.
Exactly.
As that's being said,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And leave us a comment.
And share this video. Bye, guys.